All right, so next thing we need to do is install our IntelliJ. All right, so let's go to Windows to Google again, and we're going to say IntelliJ. There we go, download. We're going to go to IntelliJ, download the first link there. And this brings us here to this website. And then we are going to go into the community version, right? Because that's all we need. We don't need the ultimate version. Go to download, and it will take you here. And as it starts downloading, it may take a few minutes, and that'll come back once it's done. And inside our method here, we're gonna go and say hello world, like that. This is for us to test to make sure that our application will be running. And once we have that done, we can just go ahead and click on run at the top here and say run hello world. It's parsing, doing all the builds and everything that needs to be done. And pretty soon we should see, look at that. It says here, hello world at the bottom. Okay, let's change this to something else perhaps. Let's just say hello Java world. And we're gonna go ahead, and the moment we change that, we ran it for the first time. Notice that our green button here is there. So run again. We should see the output at the bottom here in our console to say exactly what we wrote at the top here. Hello Java world. So in this video, we were able to install our IntelliJ IDEA, which will allow us to write Java code. This means that your development machine environment is now set up for some fun coding. Perfect. I'll see you in the next video.